Is today I'm giving my own Lexus full decontamination. I've washed the car, had fallout remover in with the snow foam. I've given it a wash and now I've coated it in iron remover. Everywhere where you see red is where it's found metal filings. Now this car was fully decontaminated just over a year ago. We have a factory on our site that seems to be expelling more ferrous material than they're supposed to. You can see the sides aren't that bad, and I would normally expect that to be from brake pads, but certainly the flat panels being that bad, that's fallout from somewhere. Well, I know where, but that's the sort of this is normal. This is what I would expect to get normally when I do a decontamination. You know, there is always a certain amount of brake pad dust coming off your car, the cars at the side of you, and this is part and parcel of when you have a decontamination. It's to remove as much contamination out of the paint as we can, and once this is rinsed off and dried, I'll start the clay bar part of it, so that'll remove the rest. This is literally only removing iron, that's why it turns red, because it's a clear liquid when you put it on, as you've seen on my videos before. But this gives you some idea of the amount of contamination that we all get over a period of a year or so. That is not normal. Ludicrous. So anyway, this will all be done. Once it's clean, I'll seal it with Summit. I haven't decided what yet. I just thought I'd show. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.